In this video, I will show you how to use Twitch chat slow mode. First, launch open any web browser and go to twitch.tv. Make sure to sign into your account. Now click on your profile icon. From here, select the option of channel. Here, you want to click on the option of chat. On the chat box, you want to type /slow and the number of seconds. You can set this to any number of seconds you prefer, then send this chat. With this, the slow mode will be turned on. To turn it off, type /slow off, then send this chat and the slow mode will be turned off. Another method is you can click on the gear icon to open settings. Scroll down to the channel mode section. Here, check the box next to slow mode, then select the number of seconds. After that, the slow mode will be enabled. To disable it, follow the same steps and then select the option of slow off. In this way, you can use Twitch chat slow mode. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.